Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for a career coaching business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix websites is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first let's enter the website. Now create new site. Here build with Wix editor. Now enter the business type. If you want to skip, you can skip from here. Now wait a few seconds, preparing the dashboard. Now enter the business name, type any business name you want. Here if you want to add your business address, so let's continue. Here set your default working hours. Now let's move on. Here you can add some services. Now let's move on. Here add your staff. What else do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders, sell digital and physical products. So I'm gonna choose them all. Now let's continue to dashboard. Continue to dashboard. So design the site. So how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or here if you want to customize design template. So for me I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. Now enter your information, your name, your email, your address and your phone. Here if you want to add a social link, so let's move on. Pick a theme you like. And now pick your favorite homepage design. So for example this. And here if you want to add page to your site, so like this. Now let's continue. Wait a few seconds. Now your site is ready and running. Here if you want to edit your site more, click here. So this is the homepage, your homepage website. Here if you want to add elements, click here, add elements. So the first element is text elements, the theme text. Here you can edit the size or the shape of the text, the titles and the paragraphs. So let's move on to the image element. Here if you're looking for something, here if you want to upload image, here if you want to import image, here you can if you're looking for free Wix image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the button. Also the button, if you want to edit the size or the shape of the buttons, the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, document buttons and the iTunes buttons. Here the payments buttons, the pay buttons and the PayPal buttons. So let's move on to the strip. Here classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials and theme. If you want to add something on your website, just on your homepage website, just hold on it and put it here on your website and it will be done. So let's move on to the decorative elements. The shapes here, the same lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, the horizontal lines, the vertical lines. Here the vector art, the featured, the icons, the animals and nature, the logos and the badges, the characters. Here the video elements, the video box, the video mask and transparent video. So let's move on now to the box. The boxes elements. Here is the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes, the tabs boxes. So let's move on to the gallery. Here the recommended galleries, the pro galleries, the grid galleries and the slider galleries. And here if you want to show more galleries, so let's move on to the menu and the anchor. here is the menus, your menus, the same menus, the horizontal menus, the vertical menus, and here the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu. Here the search, the site search. So let's move on now to the contact and forms. Here all the forms you have: the contact, order, registration, donation, application, and feedback, request, and waiver, and subscribe forms. So all these is your forms. Just select anyone and put it here on your homepage website, and it will be added on your website. So let's move on now to the Google Maps. Here the normal maps, and here the full width maps. Here the last thing is the shots, the Wix shots, and the line button. Now let's move on to the video and music. Here the video section, the video elements. Here you can edit your video elements. If you want to add something on your website, Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video. Here the music, if you want to add audio players, Wix music, SoundCloud player, and Spotify player, and iTunes button. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here the slideshows, the light boxes, and the boxes, the repeaters. Here the list elements, the repeaters, the hover repeaters, and the blank repeaters. Just choose any repeater you want and put it on your website, and that's it. Now let's move on to the embed code. Here if you want to custom popular embeds, here you can do. If you want to add single video players, here you can edit your audio elements, SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes player. And here the advanced elements, the marketing tools or the velo dev mode. And the last thing here is the animation elements. So that's it. Here the social media, the social bar. Here if you want to add some social bars here, so like Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest, or VK, or Line, or YouTube. So let's move on now to the payments section, the payments buttons, the payments forms, the person plans, and the store. So now let's move on to the CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site contents, here the blog, the store, and the bookings, the events, the community, and here your designs. So here that's it. Now if you want to add section on your website, click here add section and select any section from here you want, and that's it. It will be done. If you want to design your site, you can click here site design. Here you can edit your color theme, the text theme, and the page background, and the page transitions. Here if you want to manage your business, and here your media. If you want to edit the media, upload your media, or if you're looking for something. Here if you want to edit images and videos. Here if you want free Wix image or free Wix videos. Here the same as if you want to easily manage your site content. And here the marketing and SEO, the Google ads, Facebook ads, SEO, and social media marketing and marketing integration. So that's it. Now if you want to design your website from here, if you want to move this section, if you want to move it up or move it down, if you want to do a quick edit, here if you want to explore section layout, and here if you want to add more actions, if you want to duplicate the section or delete the section. So that's it. Here also you can design the site as you like. So after you're done from designing your website, just click publish and you're gonna publish your website. Isn't quick? So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.